Say goodbye to rubbery halloumi. Cook it soft with this simple hack. For evenly cooked, tender halloumi, we're first going to soak it in hot water. Bring 1 liter of water to a boil. This step also draws out excess salt, improving both the texture and flavor. Slice the halloumi cheese block into 1 to 2 centimeter thick pieces. Transfer the pieces to a bowl and cover them with boiling water. Let them rest in the hot water for 20 minutes. Take them out of the hot water and pat them dry. In a non-stick pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the halloumi pieces to the pan and reduce the heat to medium. Depending on the thickness of your pieces, cook for 1 to 2 minutes. When the edges show that beautiful golden color, flip them with a spatula and cook them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Delicious and ready to be savored. Enjoy melt-in-your-mouth halloumi every time.